Hello everybody and welcome to Market Recap about Trade and Drive. Hope you guys have a great weekend. So here comes the monthly or weekly market recap. Let's move to the trades that were given on the Telegram and let's see what happened in the last week. On a 5-minute time frame, as you can clearly see that market was consolidating over here and then we see the impulsive move right over here. After that, we expected market to come. The way market was obviously creating and sweeping this and coming up. I was expecting the market should tap this area and market can reject right from over here. This was my expectation, and this was the major supply area which I have marked. But obviously, market didn't respect it and broke this area. So this is one of the trades which usually I get stopped out, but I have now learned that if something like this happen and there is already a supply right above there, like if you see that this is also the supply over here, then you can see the rejection right over here, but not but usually you have to avoid it because the way market was printing it was clearly that if there are supply right over here and there, so you have to avoid it because market can sweep it. The reason was obviously it has created sweep this one and then we can expect that market can sweep. So we were stopped out and 16 pips were hit. Now the 16 were right above the range. This one we get a stopped out and 16 bit stop loss here, and this was the 5th loss in a row. So let's move to the another trade which happened on the Wednesday. So as you can clearly see that on Wednesday the way market obviously created impulsive move, then reached the demand zone right over here and again created an impulsive move and break all this and then came down, created a liquidity range and then again ranging and the market can come down. So this was something that I believe this was a liquidity sweep area, and after that there is a demand zone, not this one but this demand zone, because the way market prints obviously is what is expecting this area. So we took a trade on a retracement. Obviously the way market moves down, it needs a retracement, but if market try to reject over here and does something like this, just ride it, the breakout structure happens and then market came down and do something like this, and then obviously this trade was then impossible because market has taken the retracement. But after this breakout structure happens, there was nothing. I'm just going to mark some, make it much easy. After this breakout structure happens, market didn't take a rest and it just fall down. So this was the area from where I have taken the retracement rate, and obviously as you can clearly see that the risk to reward was 1:2.35. It's the first TB, so 43 pips profit with a 18 pips stop loss. That's the difference that we go on a trade. So first trade 43 pips secured on a partials. So yeah, another same day another trade. Market obviously reject this area and then sweep. So the way market came down, it was just a trap for the buyers. Now comes here to the point where I again have taken the trade on a supply area, which I obviously deleted it, and don't have to delete it. I will next time just put the cancel no it's a fake. This is something that I have learned, and I'm going to tell you is this area. This was again the supply area from where everybody will be expecting no the market will reject, but it didn't. So this is not something if you are expecting the market tab and then come down. No, it was the area from where that everybody will be getting tapped, and most was tapped, but I was not tapped. I was just waiting. We were just waiting for it. That market should sweep this area, and right above there is a supply, major supply, from where we can expect a rejection. In which we tap, we reject, we secured our partial, then again market comes up, again tap is, and we were break even. We secured 51 pips. Risk to reward 1:3. This is how we trade. 1:3 risk to reward. Whatever you get, you are getting 3 times of your stop loss. Even if you're getting a partial 80% securing, you are getting more. Again, but if somebody was holding that, they believe that no, this area will not broken, market again tap, multiple taps, then it breaks this area and it comes down, and somebody was holding it for a while. So market comes down around 22, 23, 100 pips to 31 pips. But obviously we managed to secure 51 pips. On a day we were having around 51 and 43, what we can say that is 94 pips. We secured 94 pips as a partial. That was a quite good. Even if you have taken the trade on 0.5 and secured the partial of 1.4, which comes as 80%, after that 0.05 and 0.05, so it will be around point on a 4.4 lot. If it's 41 pips, then it will be $160 on this one, more than 160. 43 is around more than 150, but I'm more 160, and over here 51 will be around 4 5 20. So you are 20 and 16 $360 in a day just by trading on a 0.5 lot. So yeah, this is that many people get on a one lot, so we are getting it. Let's just move on Friday. That trade that was not expected. Frankly speaking, we were not expecting to trade on Friday because usually we were having a good two trades on a week, so we were just avoiding because it was the last day of the week and we were saying that we will see next week. So just right before we were waiting for it, liquidity sweep. Again, there's a liquidity sweep. What this move comes around, man, market was just changing, and we see a clear positive move right above. It was a news. It was trapping all the buyers who was thinking that no market will leave this. No, man, overall trend is bearish. It's just going to sweep this liquidity because there's so much corrections going on in the market right now. So it has to just overall look after everything. This was a major area which I believe was a very strong area, and I was expecting market to hold this area. We didn't give a trade on a 15-minute, we just look after 5-minute because New York session is quite heavy, so we were looking after the 5-minute area so that our stop loss is can be measured, and if we miss the trade, we miss the trade. 22 pips stop loss. First partial was right over here. Yeah, I believe it's a 50 pips partial. I remember around 50 pips, yeah. So not 50, maybe 40 something. So if we go on, I just go, it's 1:2 trade, man. So again, a very good trade, but obviously we hold the trade till different and we manage to secure the whole area. So the market tapped this 5-minute supply zone, and again we see a correction to the downside move. We managed to secure different partials over here, and after that we were securing 150. Why not we open the trade? No, man, we are just not going to waste time and just looking after. If we are getting something good, we will be getting good. Reasons was that obviously market has created the liquidity, and I was expecting market to sweep this one, but we were just going with what we can say that we were going safe. It's a Friday, so we were not going too much harsh. So we were trying to just hold and just leave the market because this is gold, anything can happen. And this was the area from where I was expecting market to again reject right above there. But obviously market didn't respect this area and broke this area and then goes down. So yeah, this is what our analyst market recap was about gold and the three trades which we get, and obviously gold. And if anybody wants to, if anybody has taken this trade, man, they were GG on that. This trade was a GG because market broke this area, comes down, tap this area again, reject. So there was, it's not our setup, but it's obviously there are different ways to trade the market. So it's one of the ways to trade the market, but we don't trade this kind of thing because we don't know either to put the stop loss right above here or anything. But if because I have obviously have the experience about market, I never trade this area. But if you see that, or if you have to put the stop, I will put my stop loss right over here because this is something. If market tap this area, then I'm expecting market to go up. So I will put my stop loss right over here, and I will just look for this 1 week. After that, this 1 week I will put my trade right over this week. That if market again tap this week, then we are going for sell at 35 pip stop loss. My trade will be something like this. I'll be just going with the full TP right over here, so it's around 83 pips, and see how quick the market reacts. So this is something that somebody wants to trade, they can trade, but I will not personally recommend them because I don't usually trade this thing. So yeah, this is a week market recap about gold, which we have taken on the which we have taken last week. So yeah, hope you guys have liked it, and see our analysis how we do it and how we secure our partial, just like if you are here over here. So yeah, just don't follow to subscribe, like, follow us on YouTube, Discord, Telegram, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. We are on every social media platform. So just give us a like. We are building a community. Everything is free over here. Nothing is paid. You can ask us about anything. Comes to us on live stream, which we do on Monday to Friday. If there will be no live stream, then we will be mentioning it on Instagram and Discord. So yeah, ask us question, build a community, be a part of its journey. Hopefully, after 2 to 3 years, you will be like you're profitable because of trading, trade track hub. These are just all for you. We are just going to give lessons if anybody wants to learn. There's nothing paid. We're just building. We want everybody. We're just going to sell our courses or anything or our paid Telegram group or anything. We're just here to build a community. If there will be a paid Telegram group, it will be not this. It will be a different paid Telegram group that will be for a different people. Those who want daily trades or something like. It will be not on a supply donor. It will be on different things will be included. And let's see. Nothing right now for here. We are not planning for anything. Well, but obviously we take care of our community. It's just not like others that we are looking after the win rate, 90% win rate with a 10 pips profit and 30 pips drop off. I'm not just targeting anyone, but I'm saying this is how the community is working. This is how the people make money. We're here to teach everyone how to trade. We're here to make money, but we can make it on our own. Community. I'm not just here to loot the people and just get the money from them and just scam them. No. They will pay us eventually in future. Obviously, we will go for the paid things or anything, but they will not pay. They will pay us, but they will see the result that even after we are making around $1,000 or $2,000 per month, and in return we are giving someone $20 or $30 per month for a fee. That will not cost anything for you. But first see our results, join our group, see our results, wait for 1 month. After 1 month, if you find yeah, this is something that I want. So yeah. But in near future I believe around 1 year there will be nothing paid over here. So in near future we will see if we have to, but we will look after our community. If somebody can't pay or anything again, so they can private message, and then obviously for students or everyone who wants to learn, just text us. We are just a message away from you. And yeah. So yeah, long talk, because obviously this month we have already hit the 5 SLs. And after that, only in 3 trades we managed to secure our losses, and even we were in profitable. So yeah, this is all. New week, new month, some new hypes, and we will be taking on a high note and starting with some profitable trades. So take care, bye bye, meet you on Monday on a live stream. Take care.